Welcome back to the channel. When I'm deep into a night shift configuring server, reconciliation endpoints to fix database, sync issues, and my hot coffee is the only things keeping me going. The absolute last thing I want to do is manually hunt down bugs or write a blueprint score. We all want to move faster, but traditional AI systems still force you to copy and paste code back and forth. Today, we are reviewing Kimi or Kimai. After diving completely through the documentations, I can confidently say this is a massive leap forward. Kimi Code isn't just a chatbot, it's an intelligent autonomous program service that use their flagship K3 model to literally read your files, execute command, write code directly in your terminal and editor. So let's look at the actual workflow. So this is their main landing page. As you can see, this is similar to the ChatGPT or any other AI agents that we have in a market like Claude or a DeepSeek. So this is their chat window. So if I can say hello, so it just required the login for me. So let me log in into this one to grab more powers, like to check what is the more capabilities of this tool. And here, okay. So now I'm logged into this application. So now we have a few section here. So this is my work. I'm not sure how this work. So but this said this is AI desktop for knowledge work not available for your system yet. Might be I'm using Intel, so that's why it's just throwing up that error. But this is the simulations, how the things work. So open the browser, help me search and all those stuff. So what it will do, let's take something off your plate. It will take your laptop or computer access and will do the stuff for you. So this is how the things work. And you can set the 24/7 automation on it. This is the web bridge of your autonomous web agent. It have on web agent. This is the agent swarm instant office creation. With this one, you can create an Excel sheet, Word, and all those stuff. This is a finance related data, and you can set window meets Cami or Mac meets Cami. So currently, it just only supported the Apple Silicon. I have an Intel one, so we can only able to see their web edition. So let's back to this window, and as I mentioned here, so create animation in HTML like alive breathable what, like alive breathable what next. um, let's see AI animation or AI thinking process. Okay, so now we have a model section here. So this is a all-rounder K3 and this is a swarm, massive search, batch processing, and more one to go. And this is a chat. So if I just click here, we also have a few things here, but we will get back to them later. So let me click here. Okay, too many people are chatting with the Kamai right now. Subscriber to internet dedicated priority queue. Okay, so let me try with this one. Let's check what to do. Okay, so now it's thinking, writing a collaborating and reasoning. Let's wait for a few moments so we can just finalize our result. Okay. The good thing is just building a real time. Like you can just see the Canva and you can see the things and it's just building up things here. Right. So it's a living, breathable visualization of AI made at work. A central core pulsing with the thought, orbiting nodes representing cognitive process data particles flows through the natural connections. So this is pretty good. Let's see if we can try something else. So we have a K3. We have a K3 swarm. Okay, so this is a featured K3 swarm process. So what we can do here, I believe we have a few plugins that we can use. This is a international fund. This is some PDF creation and all those stuff. And this is the skill set. They have already plugin Keynote, Sprint Builder, Patch Tech Editor. And if I just click on image generation, so I said, okay, create image of AI brain answering the queries by 10 million people. I'm not sure what I'm taking, what I'm typing here, so we can just try to check the capabilities. Okay, I have copy create, so I can't do the test here. So basically, this is how the things work. I can click and it's download to the Mac and all those stuff. So okay, next move to the scheduled task. You can create via chat and you can add a manually. Like I can set um, daily weather update. Okay, I need daily weather update. Uh, whatever. So if I just click on save, so as you can see, every day it will run on this time and it will just run that prompt and will grab this information and send over the email, I believe. So if I just click run now, so let's see what happened. Okay. So it's just running up and here we go. So it's the most capable model. System is currently busy. Please try again. I believe they are still like building up the things on the back end, but actually this is pretty much how this thing work. Let me click delete here, and this is my work. As we saw in initial, we are not able to use this one. This is a AI desktop knowledge work. This is my code. This is similar to Claude code. You can just use this curl command and you can access from the terminal. You can introduce yourself and you can set your preferences over there. This is their packages. I was not able to see any kind of limitations like uh, the token, how much token we can utilize, but this is how they represent their prices on the website. So weekly refresh use the quota with a multi-device login, allowing you to share your plan across the device work effectively. Amply weekly limits increase the concurrency apps. Okay, so this is a really basic moderate, and this is a like Reto. I love the names of the packages, and this is a premium expensive quota designed for excellence, CMC, and everything from daily tasks. So if I just open the Claude package, this is pretty similar this one because I believe for the Claude you have let me check here if I'm able to see Claude packages price. Okay, so here we can see we have a pro plan and we have a $200 plan. Max plan is 100 or 200. That is a 5x, and if I go back to them, they are offering a 99. That is not bad, but I'm not sure what will be the results. But they have mentioned like when we click on the members benefit, we can see the things here. Here we go. Let me click on monthly. I am a monthly bird. So this is a research preview. You can just check the dashboard. You can schedule. You can use the Swarm, multi-agents, and all those stuff. And this is the search, and this is up to 1 million token context for ultra long conversations, and this is up to 1 million ultra long conversation. I believe this is the both are same. I was not able to find any difference between this, but find your perfect plan. They have a pretty much here. You can just toggle the monthly, and it will calculate by the year. This is 4x speed. The speed is same. This is 15 tasks, 20 projects, 100 projects. This is a 20 GB and the 15 types for sub-agent. 5x credit, 15x credit, and 30x credit. I believe 5x credit is really less. If I go here with the 5x credit, this is a max 5x credit. So this is a $100 package. So you can utilize this one even. So okay, so next is a Kimi Code. This is a Claude, open Claude edition, I believe. You can just host by your server, you can just download the app, and the better thing, you can just download on your Android phone. Any device that you don't use, mostly you can just open this one, just click here the download, you have to scan this barcode and you can just configure the OpenClaw. So what it will do, they will use their API, you have to pay for their API, and your Android phone will work as a mini computer, and OpenClaw will be stay alive there. You can chat with it, you can throw some commands on it, and you can assign some tasks on it. So this is how the things work. So this is pretty much how it works this way. So if I just here and I have one problem of the coding, let me check how it answers that way. So let me go in my HackerRank account on the other screen, and I can, let me pull the information from there. So I can open the problem solving, and I can just get the fronted activity notification. So if I just copy this problem, right, like paste here, and let me Hackerland. Okay, so this is how the things work. So let me try it out with this one. So I have solved step-by-step implementation, efficient solution that handle the concentrate properly. So now it's just running up some execution code. We can see the code on the right side. So this is the code that it just created, and this is the initial approach as bug. Let me trace out the two. Okay, so it's also doing the benchmark itself. So as you can see, it just run few tests here, and in the response you can see the samples and the sample 1 and the additional test is 2. Okay, so it looks like it just solved the problem. So let me start from here. So this way, from here. So what did it do? Count notification when the expenditure is greater by 1 and number median of trading and days. Okay, so this is how it set the max conditioner, and then the count, get the median, and just verifying. Okay, for I reach else and key return notification, and this is a key point. The key condition is not the median state problem description. This is confirmed by whose samples output algorithm maintain fragrancy air, and what will be the space complexity. Oh, I'm typing here. So now it will do, okay, O by N. So more precisely, this is the table. More precisely, the O number is 100 times, which is the constant space. Here is a breakdown. Count array, notification 1 integer, median, cumulative loop, and this is pretty good, I believe. This is in the initial phase, so I believe they are really doing good, but I'm not sure how this will things go far. But I never tried this one. Kimi Code. I love this feature. I always need some agent on my Discord, so it can handle my few boring tasks. So I will try it out with this one, and I will share my feedback. Might be on the next video, or might be in upcoming days, or might be not. But if you like this video, you can just click the like button and put your comment what you think about this product, and I'm happy to create more videos. Bye for today.